All right, we are on worksheet for section 2.2, and we're going to take a look at question 1 as our first question. We've got 3 different sets here. We've got set A, B, and then our universal set. And we're going to try and find the following set operations. So we have to remember our set operation symbols. So remember the big U means union. So A union B. Remember the definition of a union means join everything together. So we're going to take any element that's either in A or in B. So we have a choice. You can write them in order or it doesn't really matter. I could, if I want, just write the elements of A. So 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, and then look for new elements of B. So 2 is new, 4 I already have, so I don't need it again. 6 is also there already, so I don't need it again, and then 8 is new. That would be a perfectly fine answer, or if we are trying to put it in order, or if say you're typing it in the computer and it asks you to put it in order, well then we would just put them in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got a 6, a 7, an 8, and a 9. So either way, they are technically the same set. All right, for part B, we're taking a look at, we want A, remember that's intersect B. Remember, intersect means that overlap, what's common to both of them. So taking a look at these, well, 1 is not in both, 3 is not in both, 2 is not, 4 is in both, and 6 is in both, but not 7 or 8 or 9. So just the set containing 4 and 6. And notice with both of these, we've been writing them in roster methods. So we've got curly braces and our elements are separated by commas. Okay. This one is A minus B. So remember, we're going to look at, we need to be in A and then not in B. So 1 works. It's in A, not in B. 3 is good. 4, no. 4 we're going to cross off. And 6 we're going to cross off because we don't want anything that's in B. And then 7 is okay and 9 is okay. Notice we don't add anything to A. We only take things away that were in B. Now, the next one, we're going to do that in the reverse order. So we're going to do in B and then not in A. So looking at elements in B, 2 is unique to B, but not 4, not 6, but we will keep 8. So we're getting rid of anything that's in A. So that is B minus A is the set containing 2 and 8. All right, our next one we want to take a look at, we want A complement. That's what that symbol means. Remember, A complement, which means we need to be not in A. So we're going to look at the universal set and take everything that's not in A. So looking across the universal set, we'll get rid of 1 because it's in A, but we'll keep 2. We'll get rid of 3, get rid of 4, keep 5, because we got rid of 3 and 4 since over here, but 5 isn't. And then no 6, no 7, we will keep 8, but we will not keep 9. So we're keeping things that are not in A. Now it's interesting then when we look at the universal set minus A, so the difference, notice that that one also asks us to keep what is in the universal set but not in A. So when we go through the list, we'll actually answer the same process, right? We'll look at 1, we'll say no, it's in A. 2 is good. 5, 2, 3 we'll get rid of, 4 we'll get rid of, 5 we'll keep because it's in U and not in A. 6 we'll get rid of, 7 we'll get rid of, 8 we will keep, and then 9 we will get rid of. So it's fun to notice that these two things are actually the exact same thing. By definition, both of them want us to keep the things that are in the universal set but not in set A. So it kind of gives us an idea that certain set operations can be represented differently but mean the same thing.